What happens when you can't press that record button even one more time? When you can't think of anything else to say? If I'm going through that right now, social media burnout. I look at the scenery, the places that I stay, they all look the same now. The sunsets all look the same. The grass all looks the same. The desert all looks the same. And I try and I'm thinking, I've already talked about that. I've already talked about that. I've already shown you that tree. I've already shown you that desert. What else can I talk about? Well, of course, that really isn't true because I always have lots and lots to say, but I think I left my creative brain at the last boondocking site because, you know, there's a left brain and a right brain, and your left brain is logical and just steps, and that's more like me than the creative brain, like artists and writers and YouTubers. But every once in a while I get creative and so I can make a video. You know, I think about things like, I wonder if Mr. Beast goes through this. Like, he can't think of anything else to say, but he has like $1 trillion, and I think he can hire people to talk to him about what he needs to say next. I have you to rely on, that you leave comments and you say, Pam, I really would like to know about that, because I love doing research. That's the left brain, and then I can talk about it. That's the right brain. But I need your help in order to do that. I know really that's not true. I may have talked about this subject before, but it's always another way to say the same thing in different words, because I think sometimes, at least for me, somebody will talk about XYZ and I hear it as XYZ. But if you talk about it as ABC, I might hear it a totally different way and it might mean more. And it's the same thing with all the places that I go. I mean, I show you things and it's like, okay, this one had a stream and some trees. This one had some cactus, and they all have different meaning, even though they might in some ways look the same. And I never get sick of looking at sunsets because they're each so beautiful. What about rainbows? I have an amazing rainbow that I saw, and I keep going back and I look at this photo, and maybe you've seen it, I've shared it before, but maybe you haven't. But every time I look at it, I'm reminding of just how beautiful it is, and I'm reminded of the place that I was. And maybe I can help you feel the experiences of being on the road and seeing things, even though they might today look the same. A pine tree looks the same every day. But maybe today there's a different shadow, they smell different, there's pine needles on the ground, and maybe over there aren't. And I have to tell you, I'm not complaining, because I just love my life and I love the way I can travel and see different things and do things. But sometimes, like I say, I think I left my creative mind, my creative brain at my last boondocking site, because every time I think about, wow, there's nothing. I think it's like a writer who has writer's block. Well, I have video block, I guess. But thank you so much for being patient with me, because maybe even in this video, there's something you know that you are stuck on, that you're burned out on, that you're trying to figure out a way to get past it. And like I am right now, although today I've been able to talk to you a little bit better than yesterday when I did the live and got shut off after 2 minutes. My Starlink, I don't know what happened, but it was a sign. So I stopped that. And I came on today to tell you the same thing, only in better words, I think. Anyway, burnout is real. It happens for everybody in some aspect of your life. I have been burnt out on work things before, burned out on relationships, burned out on repairs, just burned out on so many different things, and I know you have too. So my creative brain, I think, is creeping back in a little bit. I'm looking at the pine trees a little differently today. And anyway, thank you so much for listening to my rant, I guess it is. I don't know. But sorry about the live yesterday. I marked that as private because it was so stupid. You guys, I had some comments like, what happened? I don't know what happened. It was like over. Anyway, I love you all so much. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time.